Holding the Worldwide Invitational and announcing Diablo 3 here is just our way of saying thank you to all of you for your enthusiasm and support. So before we move on, I'd like to share a video that we put together that showcases some of the highlights from this weekend.
I'd like to declare the 2008 Worldwide Invitational open.
Come on, guys, come on up. Let's welcome the Warcraft 3 pro gamers. A StarCraft pro gamer.
StarCraft pro gamer. We have the 16 teams who will be competing in the World of Warcraft arena.
Everything is awesome. It's just great.
Simply big. Fantastic.
I tried. I'm thinking level 2.
On the horn!
It is my pleasure to present to you the world premiere of Blizzard's newest game.
Now, who wants to crush some demons?
Touch this. Can't touch this.